Potholes in Bengaluru have been a worry for ages now. Deputy Chief Minister 20 days back had said that he's given a 15-day deadline to the BBMP to make sure all the potholes are filled. Last night, Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar was on a city rounds where he was seeing whether the potholes of the city are filled, and he had said that 14,000 potholes have been filled. So today we are on a reality check. After DK Shivkumar's reality check, we are on a reality check to see whether it has been filled or not. Right now we are at Wilson Garden. This area is one of the prime locations in this city, and 15 days back this entire road was filled with potholes. Now what I've been told by the locals is that 3 days back they've tried to fill this pothole and they've done these patchworks. Now let me just show you the patchwork that has been. This is the type of patchwork that has been done by the BBMP officials. And you can see the potholes of, there are small potholes still remaining, and these potholes will give way to bigger holes in this particular road. Now you can see the patchwork that has been done by the BBMP officials. There is cement that has been put here, but then road is again back to Kacha a little further. Now another problem that people faces is this junction. What my camera person is showing you, how the drivers are trying to move around with the road that is available over here. Now this particular stretch that you can see that my camera person is showing you is the interconnection between the two roads. Now that is the pothole that you can see. The entire road has been damaged, and that is why it is difficult for vehicles to move around, and that becomes another problematic situation. And these are the types of potholes that can cause a lot of accidents and damage to vehicles if people fall. You can see the type of, you can see this entire patch from the beginning of that road to this is entirely uprooted by the vehicles and by the rains, and this is something that has not been done by the BBMP officials. I have one of the locals over here who was here when the patchwork was happening, and he's taken a video of that patchwork also. Let us just speak to him and find out what has happened with this road. सर 15 दिन पहले ये रोड पूरा खराब था, हाँ, और आज आप देख रहे हैं कि कुछ पैच वर्क कर दिया गया है.
वो पैच वर्क उन्होंने कर रहे थे, रात में आके मैं देखा वो हाफ पैच वर्क हिसाब से नहीं, कुछ गलीज काम कर रहे थे. मैं खुद खड़ के करा के रात के 1 बज गया मेरे को, करा के गया, फिर भी वो करा के मैं जाने के बाद फिर वो काम करे, पूरा तो करे नहीं उन्होंने. तो
आप खड़ के मॉनिटर भी करे उनका काम?
करा मैं उनको बता के पूरा मेरा वीडियो देता हूँ तुम्हारे को. मॉनिटर करा, मॉनिटर करने के बावजूद भी उन्होंने आधा बीधा काम करके चले गए.
अच्छा, इससे पहले जो रोड था जो मैं भी देखा था, कम से कम बहुत ज्यादा डैमेज हो गया था. अगर आपको एक परसेंटेज देना रहे, कितना परसेंटेज का कवर अप हुआ है अभी फिलहाल?
10% का भी नहीं हुआ वो.
10% का भी नहीं?
10% का भी नहीं हुआ.
So he is one of the person who's talking about this particular road that we are showing, and he says not even 10% has been patched up properly. आप कहाँ से सर? आप यहाँ से घूमते रहते हैं?
नहीं, हम यहाँ से घूमते रहे. और दूसरा हमारा जो बोलने का मतलब है, गुरुपन पड़ले में जो इतना वहाँ खड्डा है कि अंडे का क्रेट एक ले किया, घर को आने तक आधा फूट जाता है. उतने खराब रोड है, वहाँ पे कोई पैचेस ही नहीं डाले गुरुपन पड़ले में.
So another gentleman telling us that there is another street called Gurupun-Palya where potholes still persist. But if we come back to this particular road, this is the type of reality check that has been done. This is the type of work that has been done by the BBMP. It's all patchwork, while the Deputy Chief Minister had also said that they will be doing patchwork at most of the places because of rains that are happening there. But because they are doing patchwork, this is what happens to the road that has been taken over. Now the footpath is over here. This is also a part of the road. But this is how the condition of this road is. You can see the situation in which the people are traveling, and this is early morning hours, 10 o'clock, 10:30, where people are rushing to offices, and these potholes create a lot of traffic jam for this. So this is one of the streets in the city of Bengaluru where we had done a reality check. This is Wilson Garden, 3rd Cross, where the road was dilapidated a few days back. This entire stretch was pothole, but what they've done is a few patches, but yet potholes still persist. We will continue to go around the city and get you more reports from various places to see whether the reality check that was done last night was really a reality check or not. Or does the pothole in the Bengaluru still continue to create the problem that it does? This is Wajiullah with Mahadev for News 9.